Hello friends, today I am going to share with you something important for related English language. Immerse yourself bit by bit in English language. Why I am sharing with you? Because if you are immerse yourself into in English language, then you can do a lot of things to improve your English language. In this journey we need to give a lot of efforts. Okay, give a lot of efforts in order to speak English language. Okay, if we are managing all these things properly, then I can say we will get fluency. Okay, and after completing some month we can realize our English, it can improve. Okay, so we need to immerse ourselves into English language, while doing something, while doing work, this work, that work, you know speak little bit. I can say even 10 to 15 minutes a day, it can make big difference. Okay, so not a big, just take small steps. We need to take a small step in order to speak English. Okay, it's not need to speak 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. No, just speak 10 to 15 minutes. And I can say 10 to 15 minutes, if you speak every day, then it can make a big difference. Okay, and you will see the difference, but while consistent. Okay, if you do this work while consistency, then you will feel your English, it will improve. Okay, so please immerse yourself into your English language and just think about and start speaking what you are doing. Same like me, I am making video on my roof. Today is very sunny day, but I'm making. Why? Because I'm trying to improve my English language. I'm getting fluency. I want to get fluency. That is why I'm making video on my roof. My skin is burning, but I'm doing. Why? Because this is my duty, this is my work, this is my journey, which is speaking journey, and I want to become. That is why I am here, that is why I am making video, that is why I am doing this work. You can see, light. It's so hot, it's so sunny day, but I am doing because I want to achieve fluency. That is why this is my work. So please, you should do, and I can say you can do it. But just immerse yourself into your English language. Just speak in front of mirror, even talk to yourself. Okay, and can say that is enough for become, English speaker. That is enough. Okay, so what you are do, it is not matter. What is matter, you speaking. Just speak like, I'm cooking, I'm sweeping, I'm washing dishes, I'm doing dishes, I'm washing clothes, I'm making video, I'm making chapati, and I'm walking, I go to market. This way you should use, this way for speaking. Practice. And if you are immerse yourself into in English language, if you think English, if you write in English, then you will see better improve, which you want, with yourself. So I can say please, you should do at least one time. You should do even just 1 month. If you are unable to do 1 month, then please take a chance, just 7 days. Okay, one day you should try to just think in English. Okay, today you should try to write something, and again you should try to English practice. And after day, you should try to do all these things: speaking, thinking, writing, and practice. If you do even just 1 week, then you will feel some sentences, some vocab, something you will improved. Okay, so friends, what I wanted to share with you, I try to explain all these things very easy way, and I hope you can understand all these things, all these point. So friends, if you If you enjoy this video, if you liked this video, then please give it one like and one subscribe for support me. And I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.